Finding qualified prospects on LinkedIn shouldn't take hours of searching, messaging, and manual follow-ups. Meet IntentStriker, an AI-powered LinkedIn lead generation platform built for B2B teams, agencies, recruiters, and founders. It helps you discover high-intent prospects, automate personalized outreach, and manage conversations from one workspace. In this walkthrough, we'll build your first campaign and show you how to turn LinkedIn into a predictable lead generation engine. After signing in, you'll see a quick overview of the platform's AI-powered lead discovery and outreach capabilities. Click Set up your first campaign to begin. Start by entering your company name and website. IntentStriker analyzes your business with AI to identify your industry, generate a company description, and create your value proposition automatically. If you don't have a website, simply enter a few keywords and let the AI build your company profile. Review the information and continue. Next, define your ideal customer profile. IntentStriker recommends job titles, industries, company sizes, locations, and company types based on your business. You can add or remove criteria, exclude specific companies or keywords, and fine-tune your audience using advanced filters. Now choose the buying intent signals you want to track. Add AI-suggested or custom keywords, include competitor profiles, and let IntentStriker identify prospects actively showing interest in your industry. Click AI Generate to refine your targeting. Next, select your location and connect your LinkedIn account securely. Once connected, IntentStriker can automatically send connection requests, personalized messages, and follow-ups for you. Click Launch My Agent, and the AI instantly creates your first signal agent and outreach campaign. Now let's head to the dashboard, your command center. Here you can monitor outreach activity, campaign performance, sales pipeline, upcoming actions, opportunities, leads contacted, conversations, and pipeline value. Activity charts also show leads discovered, invitations sent, and messages delivered over different time periods. Open Leads Inbox to view every prospect your signal agents discover. Instead of manually searching LinkedIn, qualified leads automatically appear here based on your ideal customer profile and buying intent. Every lead receives an AI score, helping you prioritize the highest quality opportunities first. Advanced filters let you search by campaign, score, industry, company, or location, while lead lists help you organize prospects for different workflows. The Inbox Replies tab shows prospects who've already responded, helping your team focus on the warmest leads. Selecting any lead opens a detailed profile with company information, campaign activity, AI score, and additional prospect details. You can also enrich contacts with business emails and phone numbers, then export leads or sync them directly with CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive. Now let's look at Signal Agents, the AI behind your prospect discovery. Instead of searching LinkedIn manually, Signal Agents continuously scan for people who match your ideal customer profile and buying intent. Each agent automatically discovers new leads and sends them directly to your leads inbox. You can monitor leads generated, active intent signals, queued prospects, activity history, and scheduled runs. Open any agent to review its performance, see the campaign it's supporting, and monitor discovery activity. Need another audience? Simply create a new Signal agent or edit an existing one. The setup follows the same onboarding process. Define your audience, select buying signals, choose where leads should be saved, and let the AI continuously fill your pipeline with qualified prospects. With leads flowing automatically, it's time to start conversations. Open campaigns to create and manage your LinkedIn outreach. Each campaign displays connected LinkedIn accounts, enrolled contacts, reply rates, campaign status, and the Signal agent supplying new leads. Open Manage Workflow to build your outreach sequence. Add connection requests, personalized LinkedIn messages, profile visits, and wait steps to create a natural outreach flow. Enable AI icebreakers to generate personalized opening messages for every prospect, or upload a voice message to make your outreach even more personal. Once your workflow is ready, click Start Campaign. Every qualified lead automatically moves through your sequence, while IntentStriker handles the timing in the background. Use the Scheduled tab to preview upcoming invitations, profile visits, messages, and follow-ups before they're sent. The Status tab provides a complete delivery history, while Contacts lets you monitor every enrolled prospect, their AI score, current workflow stage, and campaign progress. Open Last launches to review previous campaign runs, then switch to Insights to track acceptance rates, reply rates, audience growth, workflow completion, and funnel performance through interactive reports. Finally, open Campaign Settings to choose your LinkedIn Sender account. Define campaign objectives, customize message tone, enable review mode, and exclude existing first-degree connections before launching your outreach. With your campaigns running automatically, let's explore Copilot. Copilot gives you complete visibility into your outreach before anything is sent. Select the LinkedIn account you want to manage, then use campaign filters to focus on a specific workflow or view all campaigns from one dashboard. The Autopilot tab displays every scheduled invitation, message, and follow-up. Select any prospect to view their profile, company details, campaign information, completed actions, and upcoming workflow. If you need to make changes, simply edit the message before it's sent, and the updated version will be used automatically. For teams that require approval before outreach, enable review mode. Every first-touch message is held for review, allowing managers to approve, edit, or reject outreach before it's delivered, giving you the confidence to automate while maintaining complete control. Next, open Unibox, your centralized LinkedIn inbox. Instead of switching between multiple accounts, Unibox brings every conversation into one workspace. Click Sync Inbox to import your latest LinkedIn messages, then use filters to organize conversations by campaign, account, or status. Open any conversation to view the full message history, reply directly, or jump to LinkedIn when needed. Each conversation also includes a detailed contact panel showing company information, campaign details, AI score, and lead source, helping you personalize every reply. You can also compose new LinkedIn messages directly from Unibox, making it easy to manage every conversation from one place. Now let's measure your results with analytics. Choose a date range and filter performance by signal agent to evaluate specific prospecting sources. View total leads generated, average daily leads, active signal agents, and monitored intent signals. Then analyze activity trends over time. The heat map highlights your best performing signal agents, while signal performance compares different buying signals, helping you identify which keywords, job changes, funding events, and engagement signals consistently generate the highest quality leads. Once you've optimized your outreach, connect IntentStriker with the rest of your sales stack through integrations. Connect popular CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho CRM, and more to automatically synchronize leads with your pipeline. Configure Slack notifications, webhooks, and API integrations to automate your workflows, or connect platforms like Instantly and Lemlist to combine LinkedIn outreach with email campaigns for a complete multi-channel strategy. For agencies and resellers, White Label lets you deliver the entire platform under your own brand. Customize your application name, support email, logo, favicon, brand colors, and even connect your own custom domain, giving clients a fully branded experience from login to dashboard without building your own software. As your business grows, manage users through Team and Access. Invite team members, assign roles, manage permissions, and monitor active members and LinkedIn seats from one central location. Whether you're working alone or managing an entire sales team, everyone stays organized with the right level of access. Finally, head to Settings to configure your workspace. Update your organization details, set a default pipeline value, and add your meeting link to help prospects book appointments directly from your outreach. Manage your company information to improve AI-generated messaging. Then configure connected LinkedIn accounts, synchronization, time zones, working days, and daily sending limits to keep your outreach running safely. Under Profile Settings, update your account information, manage passwords, and review active sessions for additional security. Then open AI templates to create reusable templates for AI-generated icebreakers, connection requests, follow-ups, and outreach sequences. By defining your preferred tone and brand voice once, IntentStriker generates personalized messages that remain consistent across every campaign. Your workspace is now fully configured and ready to scale. From AI-powered prospect discovery and signal agents, to automated campaigns, centralized conversations, detailed analytics, CRM integrations, white label branding, team management, and AI-driven messaging, IntentStriker brings every stage of LinkedIn lead generation into one intelligent platform. Instead of spending hours searching for prospects and managing multiple tools, you can automate your outreach, build stronger relationships, and maintain a predictable sales pipeline while the platform works continuously in the background. Thanks for watching, and welcome to IntentStriker.